G'day guys, Mick here. Now, if you guys follow me on Facebook and Instagram, you'll already know this, but for those of you that don't, well, firstly, get over there and follow me. Secondly, Mick's 4WD now has merch. As you can see, I've got the shirt on here and the hat on. A few weeks back, I came across a new company open up in Tukely, and he does some great prices with no setup fees and a lot less stuffing around than most others. So, Al's Custom Prints in Tukely, go check him out on Facebook as well, guys. He's awesome. I will eventually be doing a run through with Al. So, what have we got for merch? Well, obviously we've got the shirts and we've got the hats. So, as you can see, Mick's 4WD touring on the front with all the socials across the bottom. Shirt, again, Mick's 4WD with all the socials across there, and see you on the tracks on the back. Now, we all know it's a horrible time at the moment. Fucking COVID, eh? We're all sick of that. Well, we also got COVID masks. Quite comfortable, light, easy to breathe through, and yeah, not a bad little mask. And again, you're repping Mick's 4WD. Lastly, we got stickers. So you got to get one of these and slap them on your rig. Firstly, we've got the See You on the Tracks coin. Now, I will quickly note, these have been modified. The next batch will have a lighter glow around the text, so they'll be a little easier to read, but they're there. We've got the Mick's 4WD coin. We've got the See You on the Tracks map, which is the same as what's on the back of the shirt. And the Mick's 4WD map. So, you're probably wondering what prices are. Well, simple. Hats look like they're going to be about 20 a piece. Masks are 20 a piece. Shirts, 40 a piece. And stickers, $5 each. Free postage on any orders that you place. And hey, look, if you order a few different items, say you want a shirt, a hat, and a sticker, well, you know, I might be able to do you a bit of a deal and give you a bit of an extra price on that. But free shipping anywhere in Australia. Lastly, for those of you guys that own a Nissan Patrol or know someone that owns a Patrol and want to put shit on them, get yourself a Patrol sticker and slap it on the rig. Haven't done a Land Cruiser one yet, but we got the Patrol going. So have a bit of fun, guys. Check out the stickers and whatnot over on Facebook and Instagram. And if you're interested, mix4wd@gmail.com. I don't have a web store set up and all that sort of thing, but just email me with what it is you're after, and we'll work something out on the price. Again, if you're going to buy a few different items, I'll do you a better price. And everything is free shipping anywhere in Australia. Alright, cheers guys, take care, and I'll see you on the tracks.